Welcome to the CorpVault channel. In this video series, we will be discussing Commvault Reports. Please like, share, comment or suggest. Subscribe for more videos. And you can follow us on Instagram. When you install Commvault, along with the software, you also get a variety of reports, and you can access those reports on the CommCell console, the web console, the cloud services portal, and on the command center. You also have metrics reports, that allows you to monitor one or more CommCell computers from a single location. In this video, we will discuss CommCell console reports. By default, the built-in reports are included with the Commvault software. Many reports are available in the CommCell console, with no additional configuration required. You can access the reports on CommCell console, using the Reports tab. You must not edit any built-in report, to avoid errors, or missing data, when you upgrade your CommCell environment. You can launch the required report using these buttons. You can access more built-in reports from under Other Reports. Let's select Configuration Report. Report Selection window. From here, you can configure the report as needed. These are all the available reports on the CommCell console. The reports are divided into 6 categories, and relevant reports are already aligned under respective category. The categories are CommServe, Information Management, Jobs, Analysis, Storage, and Vault Tracker. Let's start with CommCell Configuration Report, under CommServe. The CommCell Configuration Report provides a high-level view of the settings that are configured for the CommCell, including properties, alerts, users, user groups, agents, storage policies, etc. You can use the report to review a wide range of CommCell contents, settings, and properties. This report is useful, and we recommend it to be scheduled to be run at least once in 2 weeks, if cannot be run weekly once. General tab. Include displays the configuration information that you wish to include in the report. There are some options which are pre-selected. You can unselect them if needed. CommCell, if selected, displays the complete configuration details of the CommCell. Alerts displays the alert type, alert configuration details, and user names configured to receive alerts. Backup networks, formerly called data interface pairs, displays the backup networks configured for the CommCell. Remote software cache. Select this option to display the designated CommServe update cache, as well as the other configured update caches, called multi-cache configuration. The details include the OS name, package name, service pack version, and the respective updates. User groups, displays the users created under the various user groups, together with their rights and authentications. Subclient policy displays the type of storage policy, the user associated with it, and the rights of the users. Search engine information displays property information on the search engine. Administrative schedules displays the types of jobs that are run, their schedule, time zones they are set in, and their destination paths. Client properties displays all information about client properties. Software cache information displays all software updates and feature releases that are installed on the CommServe computer. Outlook, Lotus Notes add-in clients displays a list of email clients installed on the CommCell. Registry keys In other words, additional settings, displays the registry keys table that includes the settings configured for each registry key set on the CommServe computer. Pre-processes and post-processes, displays the pre- and post-processes configured on the CommServe computer. Data loss protection, displays information for laptops with data loss prevention enabled. Licensing. Licenses, displays the general license information for the CommCell. License details, displays the license details, like their expiration dates, installation dates, etc. Allow dynamic content, if selected, includes a collapsible view of other client properties in the report. From support perspective, frequently used options include backup networks, subclient policy, administrative schedules, client properties, and licensing. Computers tab. Computers. By default, all computers are selected. Click Modify button to edit the selection. Select Clients, Client Groups window. Use this window to include or exclude client computers and all client computer groups from the client computers list. Client computers. Include all client computers and all client groups is selected by default, which includes all client computers and all client computer groups within the CommCell in the report. Exclude. Displays a list of all client computers and all client computer groups to be excluded from the report. Use these options to move the selections around. Include. Displays a list of client computers and all client computer groups that will be included in the report. Once done, click OK. Agent Types allows you to select the agents whose data will be included in the report. By default, all agent types is selected. Click Modify button to edit the selection. Select Agent Types window. Agent Types. Include all agent types is selected by default, which includes all agents within the CommCell in the report. Exclude. Displays a list of all agents to be excluded from the report. Use these options to move the selections around. Include. Displays a list of agents to be included in the report. Once done, click OK. Subclient Tab. Use this tab to select the subclient filter criteria to be included in the CommCell configuration report. This info is very useful from support perspective. Include subclient information. Includes the subclient information for the selected clients in the report. Subclient content. Includes the subclient content to be backed up in the report. For database agents, displays database and transaction log. Subclient filters. Includes the filters or exclusions that are configured for the subclient. Copy retention. Includes the basic and extended retention rules for each copy of the storage policies that the subclient is associated with. Schedules. Includes the subclient backup schedules in the report. We will review each of this info after the report is generated. We will end this video here. In our next video, we will continue discussing other tabs of the report. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe to our channel if not already done so. Thank you. Do subscribe for more videos.